Greetings! In this quick video we are going to troubleshoot any Canon digital camera that no longer powers on, and it doesn't matter what model you have. Now this particular one is a PowerShot, but you might have an S series, a G series, you might have a an ELPH, you might have an IXUS camera, but it doesn't matter. So the very first thing I want you to do is remove this battery, regardless of your model, and it'll be next to the SD card usually. You just clip it here and release the battery. And there are a few things we're going to do when we have the battery out. So the first thing I want you to do is put it in its charger and make sure that you charge it completely. As a matter of fact, if you haven't done it in a while, I would charge it for a good hour before you attempt it again. 9 times out of 10, that's going to be the issue, is the battery's not charging. If you have another one of these extra handy, try a different battery, but it should light up. All right, this charge should be light up when it is charging, and then it'll show full once it's charged. All right, now that you have it out, what I want you to do is, this is actually a soft reset. Go ahead and keep it out and remove your SD card. This is called a soft reset, and we're going to let it sit. And of course, you could be doing this at the same time that you're trying to charge your battery. I should have told you that at the beginning. But you want to remove both of them out, and you want to leave it for 30 minutes. And of course, while your battery's charging and the SD card, and that is a soft reset. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put them both in and see if that will fix the issue. Now, when you put the battery in, I want you to do it firmly. Not enough to break it, but where it clicks. And you just hold it tight a little bit. Make sure that door is closed really good, and then see if you can power it on. You want to find that a lot of times that will fix the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, remove the battery again. And what we want to do is we want to clean the terminals. And you're going to get a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and you get 90% is preferable, but 70% will work. You get a cotton swab or a piece of tissue, or I like using like a little Q-tip. It just gets you a little tad, and what you want to do is you want to clean the end of these terminals, the gold terminals here, and then you want to let that, make sure that that dries, and then you want to insert it back in firmly and see if that fixes the issue. You want to find that a lot of times that will fix the issue. All right, now, if you've tried that, try turning it on completely without the SD card. All right, try turning it on. If it works, then you know the issue is not with the camera or the battery. The issue is with the SD card. All right, or maybe you didn't have it in correctly. So what I want you to do is try a different SD card or get a new one. Because that 9 times out of 10, if that's not working, then you know it's the SD card. You can clean these also with rubbing alcohol. All right, and then when you put the SD card in, I want you to try to put it it's kind of like at an angle, where you're kind of pushing down on it at the same time as you're inserting it, and do it firmly. Close the lid and then see if it'll work with the SD card. All right. Now, if you've tried that, we've already done the power reset. Another issue can be with the door, this door here. So make sure that the door is tight, because that will cause a lot of the problems. Now, we have tried, of course, hitting the on-off button, but try the playback button right here. Push that really firmly. If that, see how it turned on without turning it on and off? So there could be a defective on-off, so just use the playback button. And then you could also hit this button here, the control, and just push them all firmly with a little bit of strength, even up here as well, and see if that will fix the issue. A lot of times you will see that will fix the issue. A lot of times you might have a stuck lens here, so remove the lens, because sometimes the lens will prevent it from turning on. All right, and of course We already did our soft factory reset, and of course we can't go into the screen if it's not turning on to the reset. But I'm pretty confident that one of these will work for you. But to reiterate what it could be a bad battery, a failed power button, a damaged charging port, or it's not charging, the battery's not charging, a broken battery door, corrosion from moisture. So if it is corrosion, what we're going to do is open this back up and look at the battery compartment and see if there's any corrosion in the battery department, and we're going to look at those terminals on here and see if there's any corrosion down there. And it'll look like little batteries. Don't really see if you can really see that well in there. But you can look inside that battery compartment, see if you see any corrosion. If you do, you could try to clean it, of course at your own risk, with rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip, and go down there and swirl with rubbing alcohol and let it dry, and then see if that will fix the issue. It could be a failed internal power board, a bad capacitor. Like I said, it could be corrosion, but I'm thinking that one of these will solve the issue. Now, last but not least, it could be the battery. Even if it shows it's charging, like I said, 9 times it's out the battery. Buy you another battery. As a matter of fact, I'll put a link in the comment section where you can buy the battery, and just off of Amazon. And just for kicks, try hooking it up to a computer with a USB, and hooking it up with the computer with everything in, and sometimes that will trick it into turning on. There have been people that have actually dropped it a few inches and onto the ground. It starts and it turns on. And I'm not telling you to do that. I'm saying that is some, with older cameras, that has been a little trick that they have done. But of course, do that at your own risk. Or let me know what model that you have. Do you have a PowerShot? Do you have an ELPH? What do you have when it comes to Canon? Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And let me know which method worked.